In a narration found in Jamia Tirmizi, number 1337, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that the one who offers bribes and the one who takes bribes are both cursed. A curse involves the removal of the mercy of Allah, the Exalted. When this occurs, true lasting peace and success in both worldly and religious matters is not possible. Whatever worldly success one obtains, such as wealth, through a bribe, will become a source of great difficulty, stress and punishment in both worlds, unless one sincerely repents. As the bribe is unlawful, any good deed which it is used on will be rejected and recorded as a sin. Even if the bribe taker somehow manages to fulfill their obligations towards Allah, the Exalted, their sins against people may well lead them to destruction on Judgment Day. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6579. In addition, without the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, the three aspects of faith are simply not possible to fulfill correctly, namely, fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions and facing destiny with patience. Unfortunately, in this day and age the major sin of bribery has become very common in all parts of the world. The only difference is that in third world countries it is done openly and in more developed countries, secretly. In most cases, bribery involves a person offering gifts to influential people, such as a judge, in order to gain something which is not theirs. The only time a bribe will not be recorded as a sin is when one is forced to offer a bribe in order to recover their own property. The curse in this case is on the one who takes the bribe. It is important to note, if Muslims as a whole desire to eliminate bribery and other corrupt practices, then they must avoid them themselves. Only when this correct attitude is adopted on an individual level will it affect those in social and political positions of influence. The reason these people act in this way is because they observed the society as a whole acting on corrupt practices themselves. But if society, on an individual level, rejected these practices, no person in a position of social or political influence would dare act in this way, as they know the people would not stand for it.